bells are ringing. The evening light is beautifully shining on the palazzo over there, and I am standing in front of Antonio Gatto Capelli, a hat maker here in Oltrarno. So when I was packing my stuff to come here, I thought, should I bring a hat for biking around, like a straw hat, like the ones I wear in New York? And I thought, no, don't take one. Go find a hat maker and see if there's something local that you could buy and wear there. And then you bring that back to New York and it's a memento. And I found this tiny little place. He didn't have exactly what I was looking for. So guess what? He said, I'll make it for you. And today I'm picking it up. Look at this place. Ciao, Antonio.
Hello, nice to see you.
Nice to see you. Thank you.
How are you?
Good, thank you.
Yeah, great.
I'm so excited about this hat.
Yeah.
May we see it, please?
Yes. Hi. And this your beautiful
Wow.
hat.
That is really beautiful.
In gold natural straw.
This is the color of the straw. So
Yeah.
I wish I would have taken a picture of what this looked like when I came in the other night, because I was describing the kind of straw that I would like. And Antonio, do you have like a little the anything that's like the form that it looked like before you pulled it?
Yeah, I'll show you. It's like this.
Yes. So this is what it looked like.
It's like up there.
Yes, it just looked like this, and it was all crumpled up. But we could tell, well, Antonio knew, and I also could tell the straw was really beautiful. But it's really hard to believe that you went from this to this. This
Yeah.
is really fantastic.
Yeah, yeah.
And Antonio said, I'll make you whatever you want. What would you like?
Yeah,
So I said,
absolutely.
I said specifically, like, I would like a low crown. The top part is called a crown. And he brought this block over. This is the wooden block. He said, how about this? I said, that's perfect. And then I asked if he could sort of inset the top. And he said, yeah, absolutely. He recommended the brim size. I said I would like something that's wide enough to cover my face while I'm biking. And then the final decision was the color of the grosgrain to bind it.
Yeah.
Yeah, and we both agreed that it would be really nice to just find a grosgrain that was the same color as the straw. I'm going to put this on.
Yes. Look at perfect style. Great.
Yeah, it's so good.
Great.
It's exactly what I
great.
was dreaming of.
But I want to show you a secret. You
Okay.
know, it's different, the block and the hat.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because you have this here.
Yes, I was wondering, how do you
Yeah,
do this?
I make with a very special instrument. I show you now. It's old iron. Normally they use this for the flower, for silk flower. You know, with this,
Yeah?
I put on the fire.
Yeah?
Yeah, and I make like Chanel flower.
You made these?
Yeah, yeah, in silk.
Beautiful.
Or other. So for your special shape,
Yeah?
I make on the block.
Yep.
But I make this. I make the new shape
With this?
Yeah, with this iron.
Wow.
So it's unique.
Beautiful.
It's unique.
You know,
Just-
everything I asked for, you just said, yeah, sure, I'll do it.
Yeah, and I put inside my label. It's in leather, gloves leather. It's a little piece, you know.
Beautiful.
All my friends come with this little piece of leather.
Straps.
Yeah, yeah,
And you use them.
yeah.
That's beautiful, Antonio. You were saying that you were going to use a wooden block as opposed to a metal one. Here's a wooden block.
Yeah.
And up there is a metal one. What's the difference?
The difference is you have a very soft line with wood.
Oh, you mean in the hat?
Yeah, yeah. It's soft. All the
Edges.
Edges.
Like,
Yeah.
oh, I can
That's
see here.
better for me.
Wow.
It's more natural, you know.
Now this hat you've sized this, right?
Yeah.
So it should not get it wet in the rain, right?
Not in the rain.
Okay. So I have
So
to be careful.
it's possible to put. I explain you. It's possible to put like spray for rain. So like silicone.
Yeah?
Yeah, but I don't like because they go very stiff.
Oh, I see.
Now it's soft material.
Yeah.
You know, when you put this material, it's
Stiff.
like dead.
Yes. You know, it's so funny you say that because I was looking at this and even how it moves subtly,
Yeah.
like that's part of this beauty.
Yeah.
So that would be lost with
They
anything.
lie.
Yeah. So if I'm on my bike and a thunderstorm's coming, run inside.
Yeah.
Okay. For sure. For sure. This, you know, we just came from the shoemaker,
Yeah.
Roberto.
Yeah.
And I was saying, you know, it's like a work of art.
Yeah.
It's a shoe, but it's like a work of art. This hat is really a work of art.
Yeah, thank you.
And I just can't believe that you made this in a day.
Yeah, but yeah, of course.
I appreciate it.
The material is ready for make it.
Yes.
Yeah, we are lucky both. But it's possible to make this in one day because when you have passion, when you have your all the idea ready to make it, and you want to make the people with
Happy?
happy.
Oh, you mean I can't stop smiling.
It's it's my mission, you know. I want to make people happy.
Yeah, you made me very happy. Very, very happy. Antonio, can you show us some of the other things that you've made in here that like the other types of hats? Like this is straw. Do you make felt hats as well?
I make felt hat as well. I make with rabbit fur felt.
Yeah.
Because it's very special material for humid for cold time. Or with beaver.
Really?
Yeah, it's beautiful. I show you.
Because that's really old-fashioned, the beaver hats. And I was talking to someone who makes historic hats. They said it's hard to find the beaver.
Yeah, yeah. This is an incredible beaver without glue, without nothing, just pure material, you know.
Really?
And I use it just steam for make it, and just for with a bowl, not shape on the wood, you know.
Yeah.
But I want to show you.
Show me.
Yep. It's so all this it's ready. I show you this. Look at this. It's very soft. When you make the hat, it's a pure joy, you know. With skin. Now I don't see nothing. And you decide. You stretch it, you make a plate or other. So it's very simple.
It's like
But
sculpting.
look the line.
Wow.
It's incredible.
Yeah, beautiful.
Yeah, yeah.
And it seems like you really are inspired by the material.
Yeah, I love material. My first step is material. So the people ask me, you make sketch? Yeah, after.
Yeah, you find the material first.
Yeah, I touch the material.
We're on the same page.
Yeah.
Because I feel the same way. When I came in here, the first thing I said is, do you have any very fine straw?
Yeah.
Because I would like it. And Antonio just went to the back and pulled out 3 things. And he said, there's this, there's this, there's this.
Yeah.
And each one that I looked at was a very different. Can we show them that?
Yeah,
one?
of course.
Like, that's old. This is old stock. So this has not been made into a hat yet. This is the raw form. But how old is this?
It's from 1970s.
Okay.
But for the 70s.
And it's plated straw, but it's so fine.
So now it's out of production.
They don't
so
make this anymore.
Yeah. It's impossible to find this material. And I search in all the place, old material, because it's, I don't know, more fine, more beautiful.
I find sometimes with this old material, you feel an energy.
Yeah.
Like it's like it went to sleep and it was waiting. This is how I always feel. It was waiting for someone to come and wake it up.
Yeah.
And when you wet it and you pull it, it's waking up again.
Yeah.
Like I really feel. Look at this hat.
Yeah, the
this
same
hat,
feeling.
Exactly.
I
no,
think
I
it's the same.
totally understand. I
Yeah.
feel like this hat is also smiling. So this has been such a joy. This is the thing. You're going on a trip. Think outside the box. Yes, you can buy magnets. Yes, you can buy a tote bag. They're very expensive, inexpensive. But if you put all of that aside and you think about one thing that you can purchase and take back home, for me, it's always something that was made by the hands of a local.
Yeah.
Who's a specialist in their
And
field.
support.
Of course, absolutely support. But
Yeah.
it's warranted. Because the people
You support.
here,
I'm so sorry. I
No.
interrupt you. But you support the real made in Italy.
absolutely,
Yeah.
no, totally. And I think just the experience, I'll never forget that. Every time I put on this hat in New York, I will think of you and I will think of this place.
So the best for all the people, I think it's relationship. It's not shopping. It's not hat. It's nothing. It's meet the people.
Yeah,
And you have a relation.
absolutely.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you, Antonio. Thanks so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. I'm gonna use this and enjoy this.
Yeah. Go.
Ciao.
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 Ciao.